Welcome to today's maths class. We are discussing surface areas and volumes, 3-mark questions. A hemispherical bowl of internal diameter 36 cm contains liquid. This liquid is filled into 72 bottles cylindrical in shape of diameter 6 cm. Find the height of each bottle if 10% of liquid is wasted in this transfer. So when we read the question, we will understand we have a hemispherical bowl of internal diameter 36 centimeter containing liquid. This liquid is filled into 72 bottles cylindrical in shape of diameter 6 centimeter. While transferring, 10% of liquid is wasted. So here we have to find the height of each bottle. Let us do this. When we see the figure, we will understand this hemispherical bowl is having internal diameter 36. So radius I marked it as 18 centimeter. And the amount of liquid in this bottle is transferred to 72 cylindrical bottles. Okay, amount of liquid while transferring is reduced to 90% because 10% of the liquid is wasted in the transfer. So only 90% of liquid is transferred to the cylindrical bottle. So we will write the step as 90% of volume of hemispherical bowl is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Everybody knows. Therefore, 90% of volume of hemispherical bowl, that's equal to volume of 72 bottles. 90% of volume of hemispherical bowl equal to 72 into volume of cylindrical bottle. Or it is same as volume of 72 cylindrical bottles. Now let us substitute in the formula. So we will check what is the formula. 90% of, that means 90 by 100 into 90% of hemispherical bowl's volume, that is 2 by 3 pi r cube, that's equal to 72 into volume of cylindrical bottle is pi r square h. On both the sides we have pi, so we are cancelling pi on both the sides. We have to substitute the values. Here this r stands for radius of the hemispherical bowl. 90 by 100 can be written as 9 by 10 into 2 by 3 into radius 18 into 18 into 18 equal to 72 into r square h. Here r is 3 centimeter, 3 into 3 into h. Now let us divide it or cancel so that you will be getting the answer. What is h equal to, we can find out. Okay. So here we will cancel 3 and this 6 times. Yes. Here 5, 2 goes. Now transferring to the other side. Okay. 3 one time. 6 time. Again 3 and 6 time. Yes. 9 one time. This is 8 time. 9 8s are 72. Here we will transfer 6 into 6 divide by 5 into 8. Here we have, that is equal to h. Again by cancelling we will get it as 4. Here it is 3. 2, it is 3. Again this 3. Okay, so here we have 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27 divide by 5, that is equal to our h. When we divide, we'll get the answer as 5.4 centimeter. So this is the height of cylindrical bottle. H is equal to 5.4 centimeter. Let us see the second question. A cone of height 20 centimeter. Here you can see in the figure. Actually figure is not given. Just we are drawing the figure. A cone of height 20 centimeter and radius of the base 5 centimeter is made up of modeling clay. A child reshapes it in the form of a sphere. Find the diameter of the sphere. Here we have to find out what is R. Its double will be the diameter. So actually it is made of clay and it is remolded, okay, or reshaped as a sphere. So therefore volume of this cone will be equal to volume of the sphere. Just remodeling or reshaping it. Okay. So volume of cone equal to volume of sphere. Volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h equal to volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. When we substitute values, we have to be very clear. H is of cone, r is of cone. Pi getting cancels. 3 also can be cancelled. R square h. 5 into h is 20. That's equal to 4 into r cube. We can cancel this 4 one time, 4 5 times. So it's very clear here. 5 cube is equal to r cube. 5 cube equal to r cube. This implies r is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay. But in our question they have asked us to find out diameter of the sphere. So 2 times r is called diameter. D is equal to 2r. Therefore 5 into 2 or 2 into 5, that's equal to 10 centimeter. Let us see the third question. A petrol tank is cylinder of base diameter 28 centimeter. Diameter is 28 centimeter. Base diameter, this is the base diameter. We can see that it is 28 centimeter, therefore it is equal to half of that. And length 24 centimeter is filled with a conical end, each of axis length 9 centimeter. So cylindrical portion is of length 24 centimeter. A cylinder is of length 24 centimeter and having conical ends, each of axis length 9 centimeter. So when we mark, we have to be careful. Cylindrical portion, cylinder of base diameter 28 centimeter and length 24. So cylinder's length is 24 centimeter. Conical ends having axis length 9 centimeter. So this length or height we will call. First one cylinders we will consider as H1 is equal to 24 centimeter. And here this is conical height. It is H2. That's equal to 9 centimeter. Determine capacity of the tank. Capacity means volume we have to find out. Okay, in order to find out volume of this tank, we have to find out volume of the cylinder plus volume of two conical portion. Okay, therefore capacity of tank equal to, we can write it as capacity of tank equal to volume of cylinder plus 2 into volume of cone. Volume of cone, because on both the side we have cone, therefore 2 cones. So volume of cylinder we will substitute pi r square h plus 2 into volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. H is different whereas r is same. We can consider common outside. Pi r square is common here. Pi r square into, from the first term h plus 2 by 3, pi r square is taken out, h. Okay. So these h are different. Here it is h1 and this is h2. h1 and h2. Pi value we consider it as 22 by 7. Radius is 14. Radius square. So it is 14 into 14. h1 we have 24 plus 2 by 3 into h2 is 9. Let us cancel this. We get 3. Here we have 7 one time, 7 two time. So 22 into 2 into 14 into 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 24, that's equal to 30. Here we have to multiply 22 into 2 become 44 into 14 into 30. All this we have to multiply. We'll be getting it as 18,480 cm cube. So this value, we know 1000 cm cube equal to 1 liter. Those who don't know the conversion, you have to write 1000 cm cube equal to 1 liter. Therefore, 18,480 cm cube means when we divide it by 1000, we will be getting it as 18.48 liters. That is better. We have to write it as 18.48 liters. That is the answer. We'll see the fourth question. In the given figure, from a cuboidal solid metallic block. Here we have a cuboidal solid metallic block. Each face is rectangular, so it is called a cuboidal metallic block of dimension 15 cm length, 10 cm breadth and 5 cm height. A cylindrical hole of diameter 7 cm is drilled out. So this cylindrical hole, a hole is made from top to bottom. It is cylindrical in shape. That means a hole means a cavity is made. That portion is removed actually. We have to subtract that portion actually. Okay, if it is a volume. But let us see what is the question here. A cylindrical hole of diameter. This cylinder's top portion we can consider it as a circle. Its diameter is 7 cm. And this portion is made here. It is drilled out. Find the surface area of remaining block. After removal of this portion, what is the total surface area? That is the question. We know we have a cuboidal shape solid metallic block. Therefore, its total area we will consider it as 2 times LH plus BH plus LB, from which we have to subtract 2 circular areas. One circular face is there on the top portion. This much area is not there actually. It is drilled out. It is made as a hole. Now on bottom portion also that circular area is not there. So 2 circular area we have to subtract from the total surface area of the cuboid. Then you can see an inner area. So while looking through this hole, we can see the inner area. That is actually CSA of cylinder. So what all things we have to write here? Here we have a complete area of this cuboid, from which we have to subtract 2 top area as well as bottom area. That is 2 circular area we are going to subtract. Then we have to add the CSA of the cylinder. Cylindrical portion is there. Its CSA is there. That area can be seen. So these are the areas. That is how we can write surface area of remaining block. Remaining block. Here what all things we consider? we are considering complete area, that is 2 times LH plus BH plus LB, from which we have to subtract 2 circular region. Circle area of the circle is pi r square. So we have 2 pi r square comes. That is top and bottom. Then we have to add CSA of the cylinder, that is 2 pi RH. Now we are going to substitute. Okay, we will substitute, that is 2 into LH, 15 into 5 plus BH, base into height, 10 into 5 plus LB, length into breadth. Length into breadth 15 into 10. 15 into 10 minus 2 into pi r square, 22 by 7 into radius, we get it as 7 by 2. Diameter is 7, so radius will be 7 by 2. Along with this, we have to add 2 pi r h. 2 into 22 by 7 into r, radius. We are going to find out CSA of the cylinder. So radius of the cylinder is 7 by 2 into height of the cylinder can be considered as 5 centimeter. That is height of the cuboidal block. Height of the cylinder is height of the cuboidal block. This is how we can take. Let us do the cancellation. Okay. 2 and 2 getting cancelled. Here also in the same way. 7 will be gone. 2 with 22, 11 we have. Now let us multiply each one of this and add. So 2 into 15 into 5 is 75 plus 10 5s are 50. 15 into 10, 150 minus 11 into 7, 77 plus 22 into 5. 5 2s 10, 5 2s 10, 11. So 110 we have. Okay. This is equal to, here we have to add, we will be getting it 75 plus 50 plus 150. So together it is 2 into 275 we are getting by adding. Yes, minus 77 plus 110. 2 into 275 is 550. Then we have to add 110. Then we will subtract 77. So when we add this two, we will be getting 660 minus 77. So when we subtract, what do we get? 583. It is in cm square. That is the total surface area of the remaining block.